In this episode of Made In, we head to EdVenture, located in Columbia, South Carolina.
Hi everyone, I'm Autumn Fowler. I'm the Chief of Staff at EdVenture Children's Museum. We have 3 locations across South Carolina. Our main branch is here in Columbia. So our mission here at EdVenture is to inspire children and the adults who care about them to experience the joy of learning. We are a learning facility. We really are all about the power of play here at the Children's Museum. Touching, learning, hands-on experience is really everything through play. We're a nonprofit, so everything we do is a lot of community building. We offer camps, we offer birthday parties. We have an educational facility, an education department that teaches all sorts of different things. We've got bio labs, cooking labs, health and nutrition programming. We do story time, we do crafts, we do different art, and we've got all different hands-on exhibits. It's just really a hands-on learning experience for children. So this part of the museum is what we call World of Work. This section really encompasses different career paths that children can take. So we've got the library here with the puppet stage and the theater and the books, and they sit and they read with their families, and it shows what librarians do. And then we've got over here our Publix neighborhood market, and then we have our little spot diner over here, and they can cook and practice and pretend being waiters and waitresses. And then we've got our farm exhibit over here. And then we have our Dalmatian station here. And so we have a long relationship with the fire department here in Columbia. And we have a lot of guest firefighters that come in and talk and speak with the kids a lot. One of the really cool parts of our museum is our flight exhibit, where you can sit in the cockpit of an actual plane. Just ties it all in together and makes it one, really big immersive experience.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Made In. If so, why not hit the subscribe button? Head over to edgefactor.com, create a free account. There are many more videos like this.